All right, I'm back again, moving along. I have this main plate ready. I put grease on all of these pivot points. This is for the mainspring barrel. That is actually Mobil 1 synthetic chassis grease. This up here for this jewel is Mobius D5 microgliss, and these three over here are Mobius 8200. Being that this is a clock, it's got a little more tension on it. I thought a heavier oil would be better, so that's what I'm doing. First wheel is right there, then our second wheel comes in. There's a shot of that second wheel. Third wheel in like so, and then this will drive the escape wheel. So there's four wheels installed. The last to go in will be the barrel and the ratchet wheel. I have a smear of grease on that. It looks like a bit much, but it's really not. Holding that in place, and I'm going to drop that on top right there and engage the click and drop that in, but I got to come behind like this. You can see my finger holding that click out of the way, and I come in. It's out of the shot, but I just lay it in there and release the click, and that holds everything in place. This is a huge movement, so I can't get the whole shot in with this microscope. So I oiled the other plate, or greased it as it were. I already have that greased, and it's just a matter of dropping that plate on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 stabs. Let's back out. We have 5 stabs we have to line up. Like I said, they're already greased. So it's just a matter of placing this on. I'm going to get out of the shot here. Come on. So let's do that. We're going to put that on. Then we come around here. I don't know if this is going to show because of the lighting, but it might. I can. All right, line these up one by one, and they all drop in. Okay, pretty close. There's a couple more. Something's holding up. There we go. Okay, that looks good. We've got one over here. Now this plate might be a little fidgety because these studs aren't exactly precisely machined. There's a word, precisely machined. So I may have to lean on them a little bit. I'm in here. I'm out of the shot, I know. Taking a look at things. Making sure all the axles are through. I believe so. So there's our completed movement, but obviously you can't see the whole thing. So the only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put two nuts on, one on each corner, just to hold things in place. So I can pick this up and have a look. We can come in here, take a look. There we go. And if I move the the barrel just a nudge, just the slightest bit. All the stabs and axles are lined up. Everything is working the way it should. A wonderful thing. I must have done something right. And there's that cup-shaped wheel that engages the oh my goodness, the ratchet, no, what's that thing called? The escape wheel. And that'll be our next video. We're going to install that and get this ticking. In the meantime, I'm going to install the rest of those nuts and tighten everything up. And our next video will show what goes in here for that train. So stay tuned.